model, 66-plate Ford Transit Custom 292.0 TDCI ULEZ Euro 6 needs turbo no VAT bargain. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 175249. MOT, the 19th of February 2025. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PSA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. This is a straightforward turbo replacement job. Engine, clutch, gearbox a fantastic grin. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 4